die not from drowning, but from hypothermia. So it's very important to locate people in the sea as soon as possible. The technologies based on GPS are expensive. They are not deployed in masses. Within the Lyseos project, we gave great emphasis in reducing the cost. So this is a cost-effective solution if we compare it with GPS wearables. These devices can be localized in all weather conditions, even in extremely rough conditions, and also during darkness. So we can have a precise localization of people in the sea under all weather conditions. All the technologies have been tested in the real time, so we are in a very high technology readiness level. For 2 years we were testing in the real environment, on the ships, in the sea, the technologies, and we are now ready to proceed with the next step, which is the commercialization.